Hello guys, welcome to my channel and my channel is Illumians at YouTube. Subscribe to me at Illumians channel because I wanted to convey to you that the unboxing of the TCL in Indonesia. I live in Indonesia, so recently I just brought the TCL C2 Series because as far as I know, the information out there says that TCL is the third brand which have the most sales in the United States. And for me, I've got this from Lazada Indonesia when it has a discount. So I brought it at, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's 7.199 Indonesian rupiah million. Okay, so let's prophesy. So as you can see here, it's actually good package delivery because they have a bubble wrap, to make sure that everything is going perfectly. So here is the first unboxing of the TCL C2 Series. Okay, so from Lazada, when I brought this, they also provide a bonus. The bonus is here. It's the wireless joystick. Okay, so before we proceed through, this is TCL L49 C2 UD. I think the U itself is an abbreviation for the Ultra because from its specification, the TCL C2 itself it can provide 4K resolutions. Okay, so let's go wrap this up a bit quick. Okay, I already have the scissor tool. Now it's a bit hard. Maybe I will, forward the unboxing. So okay, so we have completely wrapped up the TCL L49 C2 UD. So you can see here, and the camera will go here. This is model L49 C2 UD with Indonesian version. It is having 3 years warranty from the Indonesian distributor. And what we have here is the smart controller. I think it's wireless gamepad because the TCL49, the C2 version here, the C2 series here, they have an Android OS, so you can play with the joystick. Okay, so after unboxing this TCL C2 series, we have received the stand for the TV itself. It has two steel stand, and this one it's for the installing of the AV cover. So this one is the guarantee card. The cable, okay, we've got but this remote TV, it hasn't been equipped with the voice recognition. It's just a normal standard remote control TV with a Netflix in the center of its remote. The the power and the converter for the AC plug. I think so. There's that. I will plug this, and I will hang this into the wall with bracket, and after that I will follow you up with the quality and the other, review from the TCL C2 series. Thank you for watching. Okay, so let's start the TV. As you can see, I'm sitting down here because the TCL haven't yet been, hang in the wall due to the process. So let's try to start its TV. Okay, you can see the specification here on for the TCL C2 series on your screen. Okay, so this is an Android TV. Okay, there has, many language option for you if you buy the TV. So I will go with English to set up first this TV. Do you have an Android phone or tablet? Yes. Oh, okay, so this TV can be straight, sync with your phone. Okay, we are going to check the booting from the TCL C2 series. I'm sorry about the camera cannot be focused. Okay, so for the tune-in for the Netflix, it depends on your internet. Now I'm looking for the 4K movies. So look, that's an HD. So this one is an Ultra HD 4K movie, so we're gonna test this out. Fast forward it. Okay, basically this is going to depend. Okay, so this is the TCL which I have wall mounted.
What the hell are you?
Look, the quality of its sound from Harman Kardon is really good. And this is not 4K, this is only Full HD, so you can see all the pixels here. Okay, so that's for the highlight. So this movie is the I Am Legend.